To integral mathematics. Like the video, share it to your friends, do comment, don't forget to subscribe, don't skip the video, watch till the end. In this session you are going to learn Vedic mathematics shortcut. So every Friday you will learn Vedic mathematics or shortcut. So here we are going to learn find the quotient and remainder. So while solving time we are going to take only the coefficient and constant value. So first in this case here we have x minus 2, so we will take the constant. Here we have minus 2, so instead of minus 2 I am going to write plus 2. We are going to change, we are not going to take the x value, we are going to take the first value, we can omit second, third, fourth, whatever is it. So here we have only two terms, so the first term no need, you can take the second term, you change the symbol. So minus 2 change, plus 2, next divided by coefficient, the coefficient of x square is 12 and minus 8 minus 32. Next we have to draw the line. So here two terms are there, x and constant, so we will get the remainder in the constant only one term. In case here we have totally three terms, so in the remainder possible to get maximum two terms. So according to that we can draw the line, division part and quotient and remainder part. Now here 12, so take the 12 because here number 1 is there, so we can take the directly 12 and 12 into 2, 12 into 2 is 24, write the 24 here, and we are going to do addition. So minus 8 and 24 is 16 and 16 into 2 32. So now minus 32 plus 32 is 0, so the remainder is 0. Here constant and x, so the quotient is 12x plus 16. Next the same model, here we have coefficient is 1, so it is easy. Here coefficient of x is 4, so this model sum I will solve now. Solution same way, the second time we have to take here positive 1, so I will take here negative 1, and coefficient of x square is 16 and 8 and 1. Here also same way, here we have two terms, so remainder, this is the division part, so remainder we have only one term, remainder will get only one term. Now same, take 16, but 16 is not a quotient. Now here we have 4, so do division 4, divide by 4, so the result is 4, 4 4 are 16. Next take 4 and 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Now 8 minus 4 is 4, again you divide by 4, if you cancel the result is 1, and 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, 1 minus 1 0. Here you no need to divide by 4, whether 0 1 2 3, because that is a remainder, no, so remainder will not going to divide. So here we can write quotient is 4x plus 1 and remainder is 0. Next the third model, here now cubic and quadratic, cubic polynomial divided by quadratic polynomial. So first we will take here coefficient x square is 1, here minus 1 and minus 1, so we will write plus 1 and plus 1, we will write the coefficient of x cube is 1 and 2, 3 and 5. So the division part, here totally we have 3 terms, so the remainder will get only 2 terms, remainder will get 2 terms. Now we will do the division. Now 1, we have 1, so take the same 1 here, and 1 into 1 1 and 1 into 1 1, and 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 by 1 I am taking, I am not adding everything, 1 by 1. First time only 1, second time the second value. So 2 plus 1, 3. Take 3 and multiply here. 3 into 1, 3, and 3 into 1, 3. Now 3 plus 1 plus 3 is 7, and 5 plus 3 is 8. Now the quotient is 7x plus 3. Here only two terms, here constant and x power 1. Here constant term and x power 1. The remainder is 7x plus 8. Next, biquadratic and quadratic polynomial. Now we have 3. So each the remainder we have to divide by 3. Now I will take minus 5 first. Minus 5 solution. Minus 5 minus 7. Next division, what is the value? We have 12, 41, 81, 79 and 42. The division part, and here totally 3 terms are there, so remainder will get 2 terms, only 2 terms. Now take 12 here. 12. Now coefficient of x square is 3. So 12 divided by 3. If we cancel 4. Correct. So now 4 into minus 5 minus 20. 4 into minus 7 minus 28. Now 41 minus 20. 41 minus 20 is 21. 21 divided by 3. So is 7. Now take 7 and multiply here. 7 into minus 5 minus 35, and 7 into minus 7 minus 49. Now take the value here, 81, here minus 20, 50, 63. So if you subtract, we will get 18. So 18 divided by 3, answer is 6. 6 3s are 18. Now take 6 and do here, and 6 into 5, 35, minus 35, and 6 7s are minus 42. Now 79 here, 30, sorry, 6 5s are 30, 6 5s are 30, and 6 7s are 42. Now 79, 40 plus 30, 70, 70 plus 9, 79. So plus 79 minus 79 is 0, and plus 42 minus 42 is 0. So therefore the quotient is here constant term x square. So 4x square plus 7x plus 6, and the remainder is 0. So while solving time, here totally 3 terms are there. So here we have to take only 2 terms. So remainder will be in 2 terms. So only we are writing the coefficient of the value. Here we are writing the first term we are not taking, other next 2 terms, and we are changing the symbol here, minus x. So we are taking plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, and we are taking the first value directly. We are not going to do anything, first value directly. After that first value, this 2 value. So 1 into 1, 1, and 1 into 1, 1, and 2 plus 1, 3, and take 3 are multiple, 3 into 1, 3, and 3 into 1, 3. Now work is completed. So now 3 plus 1 is 7, and 5 plus 3 is 8. Here totally 5 terms are there. So 5 terms are taken. Here 3 terms are there. So we are going to the last 2 terms only, minus 5 minus 7, and the 2 terms only is our remainder. Now take 12 directly, but here coefficient of x square is 3. So 12 divided by 3 is 4, and 4 into minus 5 minus 20, 4 into minus 7 minus 28, and take the second value. This one second process, this one is the third process. So 41 minus 20 is 21. 21 divided by 3 is 7. Take 7 and multiply here. 7 into 5 minus 35. 7 into minus 7 minus 49. Now third value only complete. So 81 minus 63 is 18. Again divide by 3, and 6 3s are 18. And 6 into minus 5 minus 30. And 6 into minus 7 minus 42. 79 minus 79 is 0. And 42 minus 42 is 0. So while doing competitive exam, to find the quotient and remainder for verify, this will useful for you. Thank you.